In dropshipping, you forward orders to suppliers, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Spocket, who ship directly to customers. No inventory. Use AutoDS, DSers, or Zendrop with Shopify for automation. Goal: 1 to 5 day processing, USPS or UPS tracking, and less than a 3% return rate. Comply with FTC, 30-day refunds, and sales tax, Nexus states. Automated, AutoDS or DSers is the fastest. Connect Store, Shopify, install app, link U.S. suppliers, for example, CJ US Warehouse. Import products. Add items with US pricing, USD, no VAT. Order sync, customer buys, order auto appears in app. One click, fulfill, select order, fulfill. App logs into supplier, inputs address, zip code, pays via card or PayPal, confirm. Tracking sync, supplier ships, 1 to 5 days via USPS, tracking auto updates in Shopify, customer email sent. Manual, AliExpress. Copy customer details from Shopify. Go to AliExpress, buy now, paste address, pay, copy tracking number, Shopify, fulfill, paste, mark fulfilled.